So in this video, I'm going to give you a thorough review of Share a Sale, explaining why it is the top choice for affiliate marketers. I will cover everything in this video that you need to know, from picking the best offers to getting paid, to its transparencies, to its trustworthiness, and even its threshold payouts. Basically everything. So if you are ready to boost your affiliate game and make some money, then stick around by the end of this video. So let's get started. So firstly, let's talk about Share a Sale. It is considered one of the top tier affiliate networks, which allows you to partner with merchants promoting their product and services in exchange of commission. And I think now you are wondering, can you actually make money from this? The answer is yes. It is not only one of the best affiliate network, but also it offers you vast array of products to promote. Like if you are interested in fashion, technology, lifestyle products and more. And the best part, some of the products are really popular and have such a high commission rate and a strong conversion rate. For example, take fashion and beauty product. This product appeals to those people who have a desire to look and feel good. So if you promote these kind of product, you can earn more money because they have a high demand and are frequently purchased by the customers. Next, if you are thinking that whether you should join this affiliate network or not, I absolutely believe that you should join it. And let me tell you why. First off, Share a Sale is 100% legitimate. It's not some shady scam operations. It's trusted by thousands of affiliates like you who are out there to make real money by promoting the product. But here it gets even more exciting. It's like having a huge online marketplace with tons of different companies and products. So basically they have got everything from popular brands to more specialized stuff. So no matter what your followers are interested in, you will probably find something cool to promote and make money from Share a Sale. So when it comes to picking which product to promote as an affiliate, there are 3 things that I always look out for. First off, I am all about those high EPC rate, earning per click. This means how much money I can make for every click that I send to a product's website. So I'm always look out for the offers with EPC rate that are above $1 because that usually means I can earn more money from each click. And now there is a commission rate. That means how much I get paid for every sale I make. I always aim for an offer with commission rates of 30% or more than per sale because that's where the real money exists. And lastly, I check out the power rank, which tells me that how popular and trusted the offer is among other affiliates. So if you are looking to make more money, then focus on the offers with high EPC rate, hefty commission rates and a killer power rank. Now let's discuss how to find the top Share a Sale offers and what you should consider before you pick a good offer that can really help you to earn some good money. Begin by clicking a merchant search in a navigation bar. From there, simply browse by category what your audience is interested in. For example, if your audience consists of bloggers or website owners and their focus is on website building and hosting, then promoting WP Engine is a no-brainer. If you click on the web hosting category, you will find the WP Engine among the top options. Now let's explore this offer. So once you're on the page, you will notice that at the top, the commission range is between $30 to $200 per sale, which is extremely rewarding. But let me explain some more important numbers we have. So the EPC rate, earning per click, is $60.87. Basically, it means that you can potentially earn around that much for every 100 clicks. Not bad at all, right? And here is a kicker. It offers a generous duration of 180 days. That means if someone clicks on your affiliate link and make a purchase within 6 months, you still get a commission. And I think that this kind of duration is not provided by any other offer. So it works like a magic. Now you might be thinking that the conversion rate is only 0.47%. Sure, it might seem low, but think about its potential. Even with this small percentage, if you are driving with a decent amount of traffic, then those sales can add up fast too. Additionally, when we talk about its desktop and a mobile percentage, it means that out of all people visiting website, 92.81% do from a desktop computer, while only 7.19% do from a mobile devices. Basically, this information is crucial because it helps us to target the right device and the audience on the internet, and also helps us to achieve a good return. Plus, it's the best way to find out the top offers to promote. So you can also find out the more offers like this to maximize your affiliate income. Now let's chat about why Share a Sale is a real deal when it comes to transparency and trustworthiness. Basically, when I started out as an affiliate, I always wanted a platform that was easy to understand and reliable. This website is super easy to use. I mean that navigating to its reporting dashboard is a breeze. You can track all your sales and commissions with no worry. But what really sets apart Share a Sale is their commitment to transparency. They don't hide anything from you. They exactly shows you how much you are earning and where it is coming from. And their tracking system is awesome too. You can trust that every sale you will make will be accurately attributed to you. Alright, let's unpack this bit more. So when we talk about its threshold and its payment method, it's pretty straightforward but important to get right. It's a minimum amount of commission that you need to earn before you cash out your earnings. And Share a Sale has set this threshold at $50. So once your commission reach or exceed this amount, you can request a payout. Now get into its payment method. It offers multiple options for receive your earnings. You can choose to get paid via direct deposit, which is super convenient and fast. If you prefer traditional methods, then you can opt for a check to be mailed to you. And for those who prefer digital transactions, there is always the option of PayPal. And wait, one more thing to note in this is that it doesn't take any percentage of your earnings when you hit that $50 threshold. So whatever you have earned, you get to keep it all. And that's a wrap up on my review. So after exploring the Share a Sale and the opportunities it offers, it's clear that this platform is a gold mine for everyone who are looking to monetize their online presence. That's all. Give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos.